Elijah. What do you have? Is that a blueberry muffin? Are you ready to go to the beach today? Alright, Elijah. We're filming now. Tell us what just happened.
Elijah, what did you do?
So Elijah has a toy phone that looks like he threw it off the balcony. And it's right there. And it's right there. At least it didn't hit anybody. Okay. So, no toys on the balcony. Wow. There's my family. There they are down there. They just recovered Elijah's little toy. Setting up base camp. Always a first step. Getting your beach spot picked out for the day. And now we got some more exploring.
How's it feel?
Yeah, I don't think we're playing in this water today. It might as well be ice. Oh my goodness. Say hi. You say hi. How you doing? Hey, look at us. You want to go back to the tent? Okay. Yeah, I understand. It's not too shelly here at the beach. You know, sand is kind of coarse, but it's nice. Water is freezing because it's March, but it's not too crowded, so we're having fun. And Elijah's carrying shells. He's trying to show you. Show him the shells. Show him the shells. Yeah, there you go. Alright, Elijah, talk to us. What do you think of the beach so far? You having fun? Well, he's taking every opportunity to put stuff in his mouth, so that's happening. What? That's not food. It's a seashell. And it seems like most of these videos, people get lots of followers by showing a lot of abs and cheeks. It's not happening today. This is a family show. Getting some breakfast on the beach.
Ooh, that's hot. Good. This is the best place to eat breakfast on the beach.
Enough beach toys for your child, so you got to improvise.
Plastic silverware. Here you go. Here you go.
today we just kind of hung out at the hotel and spent some time on the beach, went in the pool, in the hot tub, got some food, took a nap.
Yeah, I had kind of a low-key beach day. The water was too cold to actually swim in. Like, beforehand I was like,
It was freezing.
I'm at least gonna jump in the ocean, and I chickened out. I got
You touch
about
it with your toes.
toe deep.
Yeah.
And
That was
then that
enough.
was it. But yeah, I mean, with Elijah, like, we like to get takeout and like come back to the room or somewhere where he can kind of like, you know, roam around with a piece of chicken in his hand.
He loves holding on to the chicken.
He does. But yeah, so kind of low-key day, stayed at the hotel most of the time. Now, what's nice about this hotel is they do have a little play place for kids. They have a wading pool. They have multiple hot tubs, an indoor and an outdoor pool. Tons of kids here. It's been very kid-friendly.
They have like a kids club room, so they've got some activities and a whole room just geared towards kids, which is, we haven't checked that out yet, but we're going to.
I mean, we haven't traveled too much with him, but it's obviously nice to find like hotels that kind of cater to kids a little bit. So this is the Holiday Inn here at Wrightsville Beach. So
it's pretty nice hotel.
Yeah,
but
check
definitely
it out for sure.
kid friendly.
And then tomorrow is going to be Sunday. We're going to head back home, but before we do, we're going to make a couple stops in Wilmington, North Carolina. Probably do the river walk, see if there are a couple other things we can do. So stick around with us, and thanks for coming along. So we'll see you tomorrow. Made it to Wilmington, and we're at our first stop here, Wake and Bake Donuts. Gonna get some donuts for breakfast. Awesome. And we're parked in spitting distance of the river walk, so should be a good day. Wind, holy smokes. So much wind. None of the audio is going to be any good. I'm super tired. Woke up early today to try to get sunrise time lapse, and it was overcast, but we'll show you that. I mean, you probably saw it already actually, but we're in Wilmington for a little bit. Did the river walk there. We grabbed Wake and Bake Donuts, and
They're very good.
it was a very, very windy and overcast day. A lot of things were closed down, but it's also Sunday, so I don't know how many of the businesses are shut down due to COVID, but we are packing it up and heading home, and we appreciate you guys hanging out with us. So thanks for that. If you see Kelly, make sure to wish her a happy birthday. She's turning 30 here, so yeah.
Big 3-0.
Big 3-0. Hang around. We'll have more adventures in the future, so look forward to seeing you guys again. And thanks for watching.